Hello YouTube, this is BP Exclusive, and today's video is going to be a video with me and Mason. We're gonna do a DIY science project. What are we doing, Mason? The foam worm, the worm foam, or the foam worm, right?
Yeah, we're doing it again?
This is just our intro. We're not doing it again. I just gotta do our intro. We already did it. And don't forget to like. What else?
Subscribe to my channel.
What'd you say?
Subscribe to my channel.
To Mommy's channel.
Yeah.
And hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post on my channel. And yeah, so let's get into the video. You going to the park?
Huh?
You can bring your four-wheeler. Okay, so this is Mason. Can you go right by Mommy? We're about to make the foam worm. So I went back, I looked at the video. So you need 2 quarter cups, which is a half. So I don't know why he just didn't say that. Okay. 1 pack of yeast.
That's yeast.
No, this is hydrogen peroxide. What's going on? Okay. We're about to pour this in here.
What? What's put in there?
And then after that, okay, I got water. Didn't know we need that. So hydrogen peroxide is in there. And a packet of yeast. I did this too, right?
Yeast.
Activated yeast, whatever that means.
And then 2 tablespoons. Yeah.
It's gonna be
Soap, I'm just gonna pour the soap in here now.
okay. Well, why do you want to put the soap in there?
Hopefully, I did this correctly.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh! Wait, I'm confused. Why is it stuck together?
If you don't get out there.
Okay, Mace, we're about to do it.
How is that?
Okay, so it's going really slow though. So hold on.
I'm gonna back up.
Why is it going so slow? Should I have put more soap? Look, it's not going.
Should I squeeze it?
No, I think it's just supposed to like. We are going to retry this because this ain't what was supposed to happen. Outside. What the heck is going on?
Look at the man.
Okay. Now, Mason only want to be the video. I'm gonna pour a lot of soap because
Mommy said don't say stove. Say that. Yeah, I want to pour it.
okay, pour it in here. Don't, you gotta come this side, please.
Okay.
No, pour it in here.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see if this works.
Can't.
Yeah, you can, let's do it. Oh, it's working! Ah! We did it! How freaking cool. It would have been cool if we had some color. But let me just get a close up.
Whoa, that.
Like it's just foaming up. How freaking cool, Maze. Let it stop. Foaming. No, it's still slowly, but how cool. This is like really cool. Probably if we put the whole bottle of peroxide, it probably really would have been like, alright. Say it.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. Thanks, babe.